review is of the 1948 Ford, and it's the version from Grease Lightning. It's a 1/25th scale model by Revell, and there's the dimensions and some pictures of the finished car. And let's have a look inside. Looks like we have a lot of screws to go through here. So first of all, here we have our chrome parts, and these are the typical Revell parts. I don't really like the way that they are molded, and I don't like this chrome, so that's going to have to be removed and then reprinted or repainted. Here's some other chrome parts. So we have our grille. Looks like we've got our headlight covers. More parts for the grille, bumpers, lots of chrome. We've got handles. Even looks like a steering wheel there. So we do have a top if you want to use that. And we've got our bench seats. Looks like we have some pipes, exhaust pipes. Here we have parts for the wheel and dash. There's our license plate. We have the white wall tires. These are actually quite well molded. Some nice tread there. Here's our chassis and some other parts. Not really sure what most of these are. Looks like a battery over here. More parts for the chassis and our brakes. Looks like our dashboard here. And this is our firewall for the engine bay. Here we have our rear axle and drive shaft. We've got our engine block over here with lots of engine parts, radiator and suspension. Over here we have the other parts for the wheels. Here's the steering wheel, fan blade, our exhaust, more engine parts, and there's our brake booster and belts. Here's the body, fairly well molded. We do have some little mold lines, but minor. And there's our hood. We have lots and lots of parts for this model. Here's the body panels and wheel wells, some more engine parts, and here's the inside of the cockpit with the floor pan, insides of our doors, back of our seats. Here's another bench seat. We also have our lights, tail lights, and windshield. It's all very well molded. Let's have a look at our instructions and decals. Here are the decals, nicely printed. Okay, so inside here are the colors needed. We start off with the engine block, and then the suspension with the exhaust and drive shafts. Axle's gone. Next, the wheels go together. You can do either of those two options. Start to put the suspension parts in there with the struts. And this is the front with the sway bar and drive shaft. We've got our engine, radiator, and hoses going on there. Next we build the cockpit. And that's our instrument panel, dashboard. Start to build the body. Glass going on there, mounted onto the floor pan, and then chassis. Some additional body parts going on there. Looks like we've got 2 different versions you can build. And then the hood. And I think I'll be doing mine as an open top. So, all in all, very well molded model, good decals, lots of detail.